Someday I'll say I'm sorry. Someday I still sleep on the side of the bed, the other half still holds your shade. Sometimes I swear I feel you there, then I wake up and it's too late. I still make coffee for two, then pour yours down the sink. I still catch myself smiling, it's something you'd say, I think. You never left, you're still right here, in every silence, every tear. But your voice is just a ghost now, I'm the one who needs you most now. Someday, if we meet again, I won't hide, I won't pretend I fall apart right in front of you, and tell you everything I never knew. Someday, when the pain is less, I'll find the words I should have said. I'm sorry for the man I was, I'm sorry that I gave you up. I still jarred by your old street, slow down, hope we might meet. I know you're gone, I know you're not there, but my heart just needs to feel you near. I kept every note you wrote, with the man I feel alone. You wrote forever at the end, I guess forever had to end. You never left, you're in my blood, and every memory, every flood.